Hello and welcome back to my channel, Charlie's Lessons. In this video, we'll take a look at how we can upload a video to Google Drive on Android. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our Drive app, which you download from Play Store. Then we're going to navigate to the folder where we'd like to upload the video. I've come directly to a folder that I've created. And I'm going to press this plus button in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to choose upload, and at the top I'm going to choose videos. Now if it looks different on your phone, then you might be able to open the videos in another app. Here is the video. I'm going to upload the first one. Press upload in the top right hand corner, and the video will immediately upload to Google Drive. And here you can see the video is now visible. Thank you for watching this video on how we upload a video to Google Drive on Android. I'll see you in the next video.